What's up guys? Welcome back to our show. This is Story Friendly Unbox where we feature the hottest stories of the market today. And kamusta kayo dyan? Medyo mga bagyo pero paalis na. And mas maganda siguro mag-unboxing tayo para mas maging masaya kung mag-unboxing tayo siguro. Habang umuulan. Anyway, before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements in future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And if you want to buy toys and of all genres, of all kinds, please do visit our Facebook store, www.facebook.com/storyfriendly. So, today's episode, nako, ito ay para dun sa mga Ghost Fighter fans, Yu Yu Hakusho fans, because we have another batch of Ghost Fighter figures coming up, and it starts with this episode. Meron tayong bagong Yusuke or si Eugene Dark Tournament version, and ito yung Bandai Banpresto Original Authentic. And ito, unbox natin ngayon. Sobrang excited ako dahil ang kaiba nito, nakikita nyo naman yung post niya dito. Nakikita nyo na sa cover ng box, super dynamic naman yung theme nito. No? Showcasing their powers. Yun, at least, yun yung pinapakita dito sa packaging. So, without any further ado, here we go! Okay guys, so welcome back, and ito nga ang unbox natin today. This is the Dark Tournament edition of Yusuke or si Eugene from Ghost Fighter or Yu Yu Hakusho, whatever you wanna call it. Pero yung original title na is of course Yu Yu Hakusho, and as you can see dito pa lang sa cover ng box, a dynamic pose with the matching power showcase, diba? Malupit, diba? So, Dark Tournament Edition to. Medyo mahaba kasi yung Japanese name nito kaya hindi ko na sinabi. Tsaka hindi ko rin kabisado. And anyway, yun nga, Dark Tournament Edition. Ito yung box nga, no? Yun, no? Ang ganda ng layout. Kita nyo yung close-up ni Eugene dito sa left side. Sa right side, silhouette. Tapos Yusuke Urameshi. Ayan, Dark Tournament. Yu Yu Hakusho. Sa top, simple with all the trimmings. And sa back, yun. Isa pang photoshoot na figure na napakaganda. Yun, yung logo ng show, and of course, Banpresto logo. Bandai Spirits, and of course sa ibaba or sa bottom we have a bunch of credits and other stuff, legalities. So ito, buksan na natin to, and then let's see what's inside. Okay guys, so upon opening the box, ito yung makikita natin inside. Of course, hindi pa siya assembled, and yan, upper part ni Eugene or ni Yusuke, lower part, lower torso, yung power blast, and of course yung stand along with the base na simpleng black lang. So gagawin natin, assemble natin kaagad to, and yun, tingnan natin yung tsura niya. So wala, eto na guys, ang lupit, no? Suspended, diba? So, ito nga, yung kaiba niya dun sa ibang Yu Yu Hakusho batch na figures. Ito, dynamic poses ang highlight niya. So, yan. And power-based. And also, ito yung included dun sa Dark Tournament ng saga. Kung naalala niyo dun sa series, diba? May Dark Tournament saga. And ito yung mga forma nila dun. If I'm not mistaken, kalaban nila dun si diba? Sensui na yata. Correct me if I'm wrong dun sa comment section. Pero alam ko lagpas na kay Toguro Brothers to. Kasi yung first batch, diba? Toguro Brothers yun. Or, I can't really recall kung ano yung eksaktong mga nangyayari na rin kasi medyo matagal na rin. Pero take a look at this figure, di ba? Talagang, as always, Banpresto has definitely been very consistent with the quality of their figures, and sa tagal natin nagre-review ng mga Banpresto figures, talaga masasabi ko they've been upping the ante with regards to the quality of their figures, and this is one of the examples of their improving quality with regards to the figures that they release. Ito yun, tingnan nyo, pati paint job, of course, and the quality of the material that they use, hindi siya cheap. Talagang, even the detail, consistent sila din sa attention to detail. Yung masasabi natin dito sa mga Banpresto figures na to. And to think ng mga entry level, itong mga nirelease nila lately, the Yu Yu Hakusho figures, very affordable. Sa amin, benta namin ito $800, and meron ko na itong Eugene or Yusuke Urameshi na figure. Ang ganda, accurate, anime accurate siya, down to the streaks or highlights sa hair, and kita nyo naman yung itsura, diba? Talagang on model lagi. Ang ganda, down to the shoes. Ayun. Okay siya, diba? Perfect addition again sa collection nyo ng Yu Yu Hakusho, especially pag kung na-collect nyo lahat yung diba? Yung sa first batch ng Yu Yu Hakusho DXF. Definitely ito yung next batch na dapat yung collectahin para kompleto na kayo sa series. Ang ganda eh. And itong mga Yu Yu Hakusho figures, hindi rin sila karamihan, diba? So pag lumabas talaga itong nire-release ng Banpresto, dapat kunin nyo na kasi mabilis din siya mas sell out. Ang ganda, guys. Very nice. I like the pose, the color combi, ganda na sculpt, and itong addition nila ng power base, ganda. Although simple lang sana syempre kung nitpick, sana may logo man lang ng Yu Yu Hakusho dito sa base, di ganito ka simple, pero nevertheless ganda pa rin yung figure, lahat, paint job and all, the model. Yun, guys. So that was our quick unboxing and review of Yu Yu Hakusho Yusuke Urameshi figure, the Dark Tournament Edition, and meron pa kaming mga mangilan-ngilan na lang. So kung gusto nyo bumili, please do visit our Facebook page, and that's www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and if you wanna place an order, please do so, and we'll try to hook you up with the piece. And yun. Thank you so much for watching, and cue for montage. And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the Yusuke Urameshi Dark Tournament figure from Bandai and Banpresto. And guys, napakasulit nitong figure na to. Kung bibili kayo, definitely a must-have for your Yu Yu Hakusho collection. So, bili na kayo. Meron pa kaming stocks nito. So, please do like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements in future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And kung gusto nyo bumili pa nito, meron pa nga stocks. Punta lang kayo sa www.facebook.com/toyfriendly and we'll hook you up with a piece. So again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.